I here raise the fundamental question, what is the need for them to have lined all of this up? It is not an environmentally friendly solution. Though I get the logic that you can see water downstream appear a lot more often, owing to the fact that there is less percolation and penetration of water, and therefore water reaches downstream or something. Or because the land is so empty and vacant, why not let us build something over here and line up the canals. The canal were perfect as it were, and I always believe that an over-engineered solution is not the way out. Though it has its own advantages, everything comes with its own pros and cons. This year I had to create the water sump, therefore I had requested a little bit less rain. Plus, if it starts to rain, then the plots which are vacant, they start to get flooded up, and when they start to get flooded up, it becomes a possibility for us to look into a logic where we have to start using either pumps to remove the water or something of the other sort happens. This year we have not been able to test it, owing to the fact that there has not been much monsoon. It's all dried up, mostly well regulated dried up in Kalanai, Grand Anaikat. And last day over here before I go on to Manipal, and I just came out with Papimanta chickens to have a view of what it is. It's the same solution my father has used, just put it up with lining. The solution that he came up with is the solution that we are using, is also the government is saying. His solution may not be right, though he's had the money to spend on it and employment possibilities can be given, therefore that possibility has always been granted to him. Though that solution is working now as a fix. Right now it is lined, it is not lined, whatever it is. I would want natural riverbed only. Maybe few sections lined, few sections not lined. It's a lot of money that you spend on these things. Why not put up solar with the same money? Manufacture the solar, you're going for DCR, this not DCR. Give subsidies on solar. Money that could be used elsewhere. I mean, the renovation of dams is... We had the whole thing in the parliament going on that the central government must not intervene, and that the state government must... So it's all logically correct logic on that front only, that they are the right to renovate it. You know, who renovates what and how the money flows is just a conversation that we are always having with the water. C.R. Patil, Jal Shakti to... I mean, intend... whatever it is what it is. There will be K.N. Nehru, there will be C.R. Patil, there will be Gajendra Singh Shekhawat from his times itself. Because when he was in the office was when they were talking about the water logics. Tirchi Seva Aurgal also spoke that day. Yeah. Everyone spoke that day. It was a lengthy enough conversation. Anyway, I had my enjoyment, and it is about intergenerational equity. It's about polluter pays. This is one of the best times to clean up the river valley. I see a lot of debris floating to the shores. Why not just pick it up and clean it up? Someone has to do it. Why not someone who is at the grassroots level, ground level? I demand essentially all of it to happen. not humbly request. Those times have gone. Those times have gone now, have they not? And humbly request is the demand. That is also a truth that we have come up with. It's all done for. It's all beautiful land. There are a lot of greenery, which suggests that the groundwater profile table is very high. Of course, it has to be high, where else will the water would have gone? Plant more trees. Then rainfall, the monsoon needs to happen. For that, if the monsoon happens, the backyard, it starts to flood. That's what the only problem. The only problem with the entire monsoon this year is that the backyard will start flooding. I have got no problems. If I just start constructing in the backyard, then monsoon problem also goes away. So for that, I'll just take up the 3 plots and start constructing. 1 or 2 years, once this MTech gets over, and then we can move on to higher grounds. It's all PhD level logics. So then whenever it has to happen, it will happen. Let it happen in that sense. Because as soon as the structure gets elevated over there in the backyard, then nothing, because you can see so many trees that have come up in the backyard, my home, yes. Because if it starts to flood, because the groundwater profile table increases so high that the water starts to show up on the ground. That is the situation at plot number 118, Ramalinganagar, South Extension, Tiruchirappalli, 4th Cross Street. Plot number 118, 4th Cross Street, Ramalinganagar, South Extension, Tiruchirappalli, 620017 plus 917795181122. All beings are the greatest gods of all time. Bache seeds are not friends. Prakash Raj Jyoti, Simon Tangasamy Jyoti Mahendra Ayya our girl, Jagannathan Geeta Lakshmi Ayya our girl, Praveen Lassal Jyoti Ayya our girl, Puppy one, the Japanese sun goddess Amaterasu, blessed Virgin Mary, ಮತ್ತೊನ್ನದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಡ ಹರ್ಸರ್ ದೇವಿಗ್ಲು ದೇವಂಗ್ ನಟಲ್ ಸಾಮಿನು ಬಿ ಕಡವಲೆ ರಾಣೋ ಹಾಲ್ನ ಟುಕ್ರೋಂಗ್ ಗೀತಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಗಿಲ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೀತಮ್ಮ ಇವರಲ್ಲಗಾನ ಕಡವಲ್ ನೋಸ್ಕೆ ಆಮಾಚುಕೋ ದಮನಿಂಗೆ ತಾಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ Admiral in Moscow Museum. Stella is at home. I did not bring her out, because if you bring her out, then that's entire day that I have to do something else. She will always go wherever she wants to go. So these 3, if I open them up without a leash also, they will come back. Stella will be very playful. She'll go on for hours. If she wants to play, she'll start playing for hours. So no Stella. Usually she doesn't leave the home, especially after the Satipatana Shivir. She's not wanting to go away. Something has changed in her. She wants to stay at home. Yeah. Look at the time. I've been speaking for 9 more minutes. Yeah. Water supply headworks. Is there a need to line the entire canal? I don't think there is a need to do any of it. Some work is happening. That's all that we know. What is the need for the canal? let it naturally pass through. There is no civilization also over there. No villages, no roads or anything which are coming in between. They must have a grander vision. Of what though, really? I mean, next time you can't even deepen the... I would have actually wanted them to deepen it up rather than line it up. When you deepen it up, I don't get the logic. There you can deepen it out. Here you have to fill it up. Yes. Why is there they're filling it up and there they're not able to whatever. And once again, owing to me, the entire civilization is going through something. There was such heavy rainfall last year when I was there, during my era of just making it rain. Now my era is to create the water sump, therefore there is no rainfall. Is the logic. It's a simple logic. The entire ethos and the entire goddesses and gods realms is with an alpha omega placebo effect on. Anyhow, road could have been smoothened out, maybe. It's already quite a smooth road without any potholes or anything. Though, you know how it is. It's still a highway. How major restrict road? Could be a state highway. One would say these are beautiful roads. I would still say that the road needs to get smoothened out. It's undulating. It's got to go. When you go fast, you gotta feel it. Few potholes. This all comes with Indian Road Congress. I mean, technically, I take it upon myself, all of it. As the president of the cosmos, I never say it as center and state. I always say center and state work in unison. You can't put it on the center and you can't put it on the state. You gotta put it on yourself. Internal locus of control. 100%. My apologies on all fronts that I made it rain less in the logics that we play out, in the winds that flow to us, and how monsoon happens for us. Last year I was going into thick bushes in Manipal, Karnataka, bushes where it is a lot of logics. Puppies have to be used to secure the lands. Peacocks have to be used to secure the lands. It was most beautiful, when... Would you want us to make it rain next time, kind of a thing? I mean, I intend to say that we never know unless and until I myself am over here at Tiruchirappalli to experience the entire data at an experiential level of how the rainfall happens and how each rainfall contributes to itself and how it is flowing. Because you can never trust on the data someone else gives you. Yeah, it rained, the water flew away. Yeah, it rained, the water drained itself out. Yeah, it rained, the water is still there. We can never trust them. Unless I myself was spending 6 months, 8 months over here, and I have the ground data with me and experiential wisdom every day where this kind of rainfall happened and that kind of rainfall happened. There was so much of rainfall, so many coconuts that we harvested. So much of logic like that. Preferably like that. Preferably similar to that. Time to put up solar. And It is also time to invest in that land. Forget about everything else. Bro, if I do that, I won't be. The PhD comes into play. I have to be taking the PhD also. I got a lot of free time because I have to make summaries of reports of literature review, and then also some work that I am going to carry out, which is something that we are doing for the work that I have to take in order for my degrees to get approved. That work is very intelligently and mindfully conducted. One can finish it off. Technically, no one is losing anything with this kind of rain, is what I intend to say. We are getting our crops, we are getting our food. No one is suffering. Suffering is not the word. Suffering, yeah, I mean, technically no one is suffering. No one carrying or bearing of children. Oh, okay, someone is suffering. Several are suffering. If I were to invest in the plot backyards and construct a structure, I would need funding, and then time that I have to give personally. I cannot allow anyone else to supervise, because will they do it properly is a question only that I always say. They are doing work properly only, they are saying. This is owing to the fact that there exists a structure already elevated which sits over there. If there were nothing, if it was an empty piece of land, I would say you have no problems, go ahead, do what you want to do. Cosmos, and still struggles with basic needs and amenities at times. To be fulfilled for everyone. Everyone is okay. They are not saying too much also. They are also saying it is okay. Why to go through so much of data on that? If you are not able to do it, you know, while 1 month over here, 2 months over there, 1-2 months, 4-5 months, a pilot scale study, a bench scale study, and then we'll be back to do what is requested. Now the reason why we are stretching out this video for this long could also be that why was this closed off? No entry, road closed. Why was this closed off? Because they were doing some work.